How to add a payment gateway to hosting your website. Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to add a payment gateway to hosting your website. First, log into your hosting dashboard. On the left side menu, click Websites, and from the list, find the specific website you want to manage. Click Manage Store, and it will open the Store Management section. Next, go to Store Settings. Inside the Store Manager, click on Settings, and in the Settings menu, look for and click for Payments. That is where you will manage all your payment-related configurations. In the Payments section, click the Add button and you will see a list of payment gateways compatible with Hostinger. Select the one you prefer, then follow the prompts to integrate the payment gateway into your store. And that's how you add a payment gateway to your Hostinger website, making it ready to process customer payments. Tip: choose a trusted payment gateway that your audience is familiar with to boost confidence and conversion rates. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.